You ever sneezed and felt a little jolt in your back? Here's why that happens. Sneezing creates a quick spike in pressure inside your abdomen and spine, kind of like a sudden mini shockwave. If your posture isn't great when it happens, like slouching, hunching forward, looking down, that pressure doesn't get absorbed evenly within the spine, and your discs take the hit. For people with a herniated disc, that sudden force can push the disc material further out and irritate the nearby nerves. That's why you might feel a sharp pain down your legs or arms after sneezing. But you can easily reduce the impact with a simple fix. If you feel a sneeze coming, sit or stand tall. Make sure you're in an as much neutral position as possible. That's it. Small adjustments like that can make a big difference in your symptoms.